Welcome to Scratch, an online coding and playing website. Here you'll find featured projects, featured studios, Scratch design studios, projects loved by Scratchers and following, what the community is remixing, what the community is loving, about community resources for parents and legal, plus the language. When you click on the Create button, you get sent to the Scratch.mit.edu projects editor. First it will load in the purple screen. Then you will have to wait until it loads. It will show creating project, loading sprites, and automatically take you to the page. Here's sprite 1. So the one here, what my cursor is hovering on, which you can call mouse pointer. This is called a sprite, which you can drag on this screen, full screen. Here it is, which you can drag. So if you click here, it does nothing because there's no code here. The code is basically something which you connect blocks to make code. For example, here it does like this, so I want to put it back to normal. You want to put it back to normal, you have to point in direction 90 and also go to negative 70 and 60. It automatically, this block, it shows where you. This is sprite 1. You can rename it to player. Plus you can also choose a sprite and use the search bar here. Animals, people, fantasy, those are the categories. You can also paint a sprite and price a sprite plus upload a sprite. For now, I will make a comic strip. But since I don't want to do that, you can delete immediately by using this and this orange trash button and pressing yes. Now, making the sprite, you'll go to costumes and then you will make these two. This is the paint tool, the bucket tool, the line tool, the rectangle tool, the circle tool, the text tool, the eraser tool, the resizing tool, and the selecting tool. So you double click if you're on computer. I will make it this. Don't make it too big. Okay, now that we've got our actual player, we can delete this one. And let me introduce you to sounds. And here you will click the sounds button. Since we want to do our own sounds if you want, or choose a sound, there's a category based here. This is recording, which you can record your own sound also. Hello, 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 hello. The play button lets you play the sound, and this one lets you remove part of it, or you can re-record. So I will play. Hello, 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 hello. Save. You can rename your recording one, and it shows here 2 minutes and 56 seconds. You'll say what you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it hello, 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 hello. You can customize hello, and then it sounds like a chipmunk. The slower it goes, the more deeper the voice sounds like. If you make it faster, it sounds like a chipmunk mostly. Louder, or soccer. You can mute it, and since that happened, I'm going to delete that and choose a sound. Yes, alert. You can surprise sound. I don't want that. You can also use the trash button to delete what you just did. Robot makes it sound like a robot. And this one fades in, fades out, and reverses. You can also upload a sound like this. But I don't have any sounds today, so let's continue what we are doing and rename this to ball. And code, we will go find events. An event category begins the coding process. You can do one space key per click. So this is, we will move to those blocks afterward this session. You can go to x11 and y -9. The x position is the way, this is left and right. The y position is how you go up and down. So if it doesn't make sense, you may want to click a different video and check the map tutorial. But since we're already in coding, I will -90. No, I won't do that. You can point it direction 90. So this control block, it purposely controls how the game begins. So forever, it plays forever. It will do whatever you want. And if something happens in the process, it will do what it said. If key right arrow press, it detects which button you press. The sensing does all of that. It detects everything you do, including your username. But since that's later, I will show you how to make your own movement system. If key right arrow pressed, move 10 steps or change X by 10. I will want to put this and select it and put it on that cross right there. It will snap right in. Change X by 10 and then turn 15 degrees. There we have it. Okay, now let's duplicate this by right clicking and duplicate it. And then put it here. Now let's change it to left arrow and remove this, because this is turning left because of that arrow facing there, and this is turning right because of that arrow facing there. Let's turn and change X by -10, which makes it go to the left. Now there we have it, a simple overall movement system that moves it right. So if you want to, else, we can make a different event when the sprite clicked. Oh yeah, I haven't introduced you. This green flag button allows you to play the game. This is the stop button. And this is the full screen. And this is, yeah, I'm going back to normal. This is the backdrop. You can select the backdrop, and then that's the category button again. Or you can paint a backdrop, surprise, or upload a backdrop. For now, I'll use the sky, blue sky. So it seems legit. I will actually change this because it will make no sense at all. So when the sprite clicked, we will make a new sound called meow. We will play sound until done. This is the sounds block, which everything here on this category controls the sound all the way to this block. But this is the events block, like the labeled one. We will do play sound meow until done. Or you can change it to alert, but since alert is already I will also play sound alert here until done. Or you can play start sound meow until done, but that will play forever, so I will do this and that. You may notice that this one is lagging a lot, so let's try again, and then if this right click. Okay, that is the beginning of that event. Let us name this game into anything you want. I will name this Tutorial 1. It's saving project, so if it says project saved, that means it's already saved. We will see project instructions. Press right and left arrows and click on the ball made by me. You can turn counting on or counting off, but it doesn't count. But you can also do that, but I don't want to do that. It's not fair. Let's set thumbnail to this. Now we can share it and play our own game. Please note that this game can be made by you or yourself, which is basically just you. Here you will see your own projects by clicking this My Stuff button. Here's the game we created, which you can always go back to and customize it, plus see inside. For example, if you want to change something like point and direction towards mouse pointer, we can put point towards mouse pointer, select something else. Yeah. So we'll also put this in forever. Like now you see that it follows the mouse pointer everywhere. Now if you want to save it, you can press the save now button or change the name, copy the link, and add the studio if you do have a studio. You can, and this is the viewers, this is the remixes, this is them. Okay, now that's it. Bye guys. See you on the next session of this tutorial series. If you're watching this on Spotify, if I have, or if I made it on YouTube. Bye and welcome to the beginning of the coding tutorials.